Alright guys, so here we go. This is like a 25 course breakfast. I'm so excited, guys. This is insane. Konnichiwa everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere coming at you live from Tokyo, Japan. Guys, I am so ecstatic right now. I've been dreaming of coming to Japan my entire life. I've been basically eating sushi since I was 8 years old. It's one of my favorite things in the world, Japanese food. And yeah, I arrived yesterday like 6 p.m. I came straight to the Shinjuku area. That's where I'm staying at. I'm staying here at the Hyatt Regency Tokyo, a 5-star luxury hotel. They have 6 restaurants. They have like a 24-hour gym, Japanese breakfast. They have Western breakfast. They have an indoor pool. And my room is so freaking luxurious. I slept like a baby last night on this king-size bed. Lots of space here. I have like a working area. I have an amazing bathroom. I have the toilet separate from the bathroom. I have a huge TV in front of me. The hotel is located in the Shinjuku area, which is like the Times Square of Tokyo. Lots of bright lights and restaurants. That's about a 10-minute walk from here. So we're a little outside, a lot less noisy here, a lot less lights. And yeah, this morning we're going downstairs to eat a Japanese breakfast buffet. I cannot wait because Japanese breakfast, I've never done that before. I've never eaten sushi, like rice, fish for breakfast. They have 2 different breakfasts, right? So they have the Japanese breakfast buffet, which is located on the 3rd floor at the Kakao restaurant from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. And they also have the Western style breakfast on the lobby level, and it starts at 6 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So you have both options, but you know, we're in Japan. I'm only eating Japanese food. Let's go downstairs and eat a Japanese breakfast. Let's do it. How you doing? Everything good?
Good, thank you.
We're here at the Kakao restaurant, and this is the Japanese buffet, as you can see. We're here, we have some, so there's all tempuras right here. Wow, so fish cake tempura, broccoli tempura, I think. Then over here we have some broccoli, Japanese omelet. Okay, wow. Then we have like some small shrimp there. Oh my god, everything looks so good. And then what are these? So tofu balls, dried radish. Radish, perfect. And over here we have a bunch of stuff. Oh my god. So we have like some spicy tuna right here. We have, I don't know what that is. It's like wakame. I think I'm gonna get everything though, so. Alright, so let me see, what is this? Miso flavored grated yam. Wow, that's so different. And that? Japanese noodle soba. With some tea, so tea flavored soba. Oh my god, okay. Let me start seeing what I want. I think I want everything. And then over here you said you have porridge, right? Yeah. So this is like...
this one is rice.
Oh, that's rice. Okay, that's rice. And then over here, what is this?
Oden.
Oden. This is oden. So it's like, we got some eggs here, we have some fish, and this is basically like, almost like hot pot, it looks like. It's hot pot? Oh, okay. And we have some tea?
Yes, Japanese tea.
Perfect, I'm gonna have some tea. Oh my god. So fish cake, wow. Not gonna go too much with that because it's all fried. Japanese omelet. Oh yeah. Some of that. Gotta have some of these tofu balls. Probably have like 2 of these. Look at that. I think I filled my plate. So we're getting one of everything here. So it's like tuna, got some vegetables, more vegetables. I don't know what that is. It's like a yogurt? Tofu. That's tofu right there. And then this one? Radish, okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay, I cannot wait to get this hot pot. Look at this, the eggs and the fish. Oh my god, I just want everything. Let's get everything. Right there, wow. Yeah, that's great. Okay. Amazing. I don't know what this is, but wow. Some of this. That looks like a fish right there. Kunyagu.
Like special like potatoes.
Okay, and this one?
Very chewy. Like a gummy candy.
Alright, so here we have like something a lot stronger than wasabi. There's kayashi.
Yeah.
And where do I put
Kalasi.
that? Kalasi. And then I just put it here on the side?
Yeah.
This is what I call the Japanese thali.
Really?
Wow, so I have a private table? Thank you. Okay, here's our private table. Oh my god. This is like amazing. This is like gonna be the best breakfast of all time. Wow. Look at that. Alright guys, so here we go. This is like a 25 course breakfast. I'm so excited, guys. This is insane. So we got like a mix of things. We have fish, we have tofu, we have more fish, we have teriyaki, we have, I don't know, horseradish, we have more fish, we have porridge, rice, we have some tea. I'm gonna try with the tea first. Nice and light. I think I need a coffee though. Just to wake up. I know, thank you. Chopstick travel, I can eat with chopsticks all day. I love it. How should I start this? Should I just start with like some tuna? Oh wow, nice and fresh. Super fresh. A little hot, a little spicy here. Dude, this is amazing tuna. I mean, we're eating tuna in Japan. I mean, it can't get any fresher, right? I think I need like 4 more of these. One down. Wow, that was so good. Where do I go next? There's so many things. This is like the hot pot stuff. So here we have, look at this egg. So I guess I'll have to take a bite out of this. Nice hard-boiled egg. Super creamy in the middle. I've never had an egg like this. This is just chicken egg? Chicken egg, yeah? Wow, it's a huge egg. Look at this. It's so good though. I've never had it. It looks a little more yellow, like orangey, than I usually have it. The taste is just so different though. It has like an Asian feel to it, no? What else we have in here? This is like, here we have some beef. Look how juicy it looks. Nice and fatty as well. They love beef in Japan. It's a big thing here. That was the juiciest, most buttery beef I ever had in my life. And I have another piece here, so. Oh my God. Wow. So much contrast and flavors between the egg, the tuna, and the beef, but everything was so delicious, and I don't even know where to go next. I mean, I'm just gonna have to go with some vegetables next. What are these? I see.
Seaweed.
It's just seaweed with some edamame. Oh man. Nice. This is like a good palate cleanser. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to go back for seconds. So tofu, gotta put some soy sauce on it. Perfect. And then what I do, because I'm super into spicy food, I put some wasabi in there and spice it up. And you gotta cut it a little bit right there. Oh, look at that. Soy sauce, some wasabi. Like air. Oh, and spicy. The wasabi gives it a nice kick. I'll tell you. This, like, every single piece here has been like the best of all time. I'm serious though. Really? Yeah. I mean, I'm eating, you know, tofu in Japan. I mean, how like more authentic can you get, you know? Is it bad manners to drink? Oh, a little hot. Oh, but I had to. And then right here we have some tofu balls, guys. Tofu balls. Look at that. Wow. For me, it's like outstanding. Lots of flavors in there. Very veggie. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the same one, get some wasabi, like just brush in this wasabi here. I highly recommend putting the tofu ball into the soy sauce and mixing with some wasabi. Perfect. No, but I'm like, what I love is that it's so many different things that it makes up Japanese food. You know, people usually think just like sushi, sashimi, and rolls, and that's so Western. You know, this is like real, authentic Japanese food. Next up, we have a fish cake. Look at this. Ooh, and it's dripping. Sorry if I get this table a little messy. Doesn't have too many spices at all. It's just like straight fish. It's a mix of fish and flowers that has been fried, but it's light fry. It's not too crazy. And then this is like a potato right here, right? This is like a Japanese potato.
Yeah, konnyaku.
Konnyaku. It's a gooey. Oh my God, I love gooeys. Like, I'm all about like the gummies, you know, the dessert gummies. It was like a jelly ball. It was good. It was really good though. I think I have to go now back to something to cleanse my palate. So I'm gonna get some of this, and this is just like looks like spinach. Kamatsura. Nice greens. Very good. Very healthy. And right here we have mushroom tempura, guys. Mushroom tempura. Look at this. It's super deep fried. And the best thing to do with this as well is dip it straight into the soy sauce. Straight in here. I'm just gonna grab my hands, I have to. Very moist inside. Very crunchy. I love tempura. Wow. I have another fish cake. Look at the shape of this. So this one looks a little more fried than the tofu ball we had. This one actually feels a little more sweet. Oh, that one's amazing. So let's go over to this. This is a fish, and I don't know what fish this is, but it looks like could be like a big sardine. Oh, because it's a very salty fish. Okay, so soy sauce on top. Perfect. And then, so how do I do? I just break it, or do you eat it like bites? Just pick it up and eat. So here we go.
Be careful.
Extremely salty. Extremely salty.
It goes with rice.
And this, radish. So get some rice, right? And then put the fish on top, right there. So rice with some fish. Oh man, this is so good. Great contrast. Very salty fish with like nice and sticky rice. I think I'm gonna have to put some of this though. With some wasabi. Pick it up. That's enough salt for today. Extremely salty fish. Japanese noodles, soba. So the green comes from the tea, as you can see. Wow. Wow, you can taste the tea. You can taste it in every single bite. Oh, it's incredible. Wow. And they're like fine noodles, like super thin noodles. I have like 5 or 6 of these that I have to get repeats because they're so good. They're too good. Nice soup. It's fantastic. I didn't even know the soup was there. I had the flavors in the noodles, but I didn't notice that. Wow. So it's a Japanese radish called daikon. Lots of different flavors in there. I've never had that before. Here we have another fish, right? Oh my god, this one looks incredible. I'm gonna take a bite, but then after that I'm gonna mix it with the soy sauce. Nice fish, fried. Oh wow. You have to mix it with the soy sauce. And definitely put some wasabi. Oh, that hit me hard. So here we have shishito. So this is a sweet green pepper. Shishito, so it's like I know what this is like. Some of them are really, really hot, but some aren't. It's like 1 in 10 is hot, you know, and that's actually fried. And I've had it like usually like, you know, with the little, with the stem. So you eat it like that, just like that. That was good. Right here we have grated radish. Do I put it with the soy? What do you think? Definitely with it together? Okay, mix it together. Oh yeah. It's like radish that has been like finely grained. Like a little radish ball, but it feels almost like, or consistency of polenta, but it's radish. Oh, it's nice. Very light too. So the way it works with the powdered yam, and she was telling me, is to mix it with the soba. Soba right there. Oh wow. Look at that. Look at that. It just looks so amazing. Just look at that. It looks almost like noodles with eggs. That's what it looks like. Powdered yam with soba. I think I found the winner here. I think this is gonna be my favorite. Like a very sticky grain right there. It's very different. Pounded yam. This is so different, but I like it. And the great thing about this whole meal is that it's not really filling. It's very light, everything. The contrast between the soup that was in here with the pounded yam and the miso, it's like a perfect marriage in a way. Just mix it together. It's almost like very slimy actually. That's the better word, slimy. This is daikon, Japanese radish. Stickier noodles in a way, because the way it's cut. And then we actually mix it with some dried shrimp right there. Mixing with dried shrimp. The shrimp are very salty, they're dry. Crunchy. That's a great combination. Mixing it with the seafood. And then right next to it we have another like vegetable. Okay, so this is Japanese pickles. Japanese pickles. It almost feels like a pickled radish in a way. That's what it feels like. This is just another vegetable. Could be spinach. I don't know. So here we have Japanese omelet. It actually has like the texture and shape of like tofu, but it's Japanese omelet. It's nice, like egg condensed together, but it's a little sweet as well. Very sweet. That was awesome. Like that was a great egg. So we got some miso soup, guys. So we have to end it with miso soup. I love miso soup, but yeah, we should mix it. Okay. So we gotta mix the miso soup. Oh yeah, here we go. Mix the miso soup. You have some tofu in there. It looks like more like vegetables this time. So there's different types of miso soups, full of vegetables. I think there's more like radishes in here as well. Before we get to the porridge, I'm gonna try some bonito shaves. So this is bonito fish, and then the shaves. Pour this on top. So some soy sauce. Bonito shaves. Mmm. Very salty fish. Yeah, so she's saying it also goes well with rice, but I'm having it straight. Mmm. Like beef jerky, but like fish jerky. Love it with the soy sauce. With that wasabi. A little hot. I haven't had porridge in a while. Wow. Look at this. So here with the porridge. And this, I'm putting this sticky sauce into the porridge. Right there. So pour the salt all throughout. Yeah, so mix the porridge like that with the sauce. Give me a video. Okay, here we go, porridge. Like oatmeal and a rice. I like it. And the spoon they gave me is like huge. Look at the spoon. I don't have that big of a mouth. Oh, it's super sticky. It's like very slimy. And it's a little thick too. Like after a while, it's really heavy. But so we did it. We tried over 20 Japanese buffet breakfast items. Everything was so delicious. I think my top were obviously the tuna, because I got a little more because I loved it. I love the soba. So that's like the Japanese noodles with tea. And I loved everything from the hot pot. Also the tempura and the porridge. I mean, everything was so good. And I think what you guys have to do is be really open-minded to the different flavors here. It's very different, very traditional. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna have some coffee. I had to have some coffee. This is not Japanese, but it's okay. I have to wake up. I have to go on another food tour in a few hours. But guys, yeah, so if you want to try this breakfast, definitely come stay at the Hyatt Regency Tokyo. It's in the Shinjuku area. Like I told you earlier, that is like the Times Square area. Lots of attractions here, lots of lights, restaurants, and yeah, they have over 700 rooms. And one thing I forgot to mention is that there's two places you can sit here at the Japanese breakfast buffet. You can sit in the communal area, or you can sit in like a more like a private area like this. So there's like a few of these rooms where it's like 2 tables. Super sick. I loved it here. I mean, this is super convenient for me because I'm filming. Hope you guys love this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you on the next travel food adventure in Japón. Hey, how do you say it? Konnichiwa or arigato?